All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018, that's right folks, a 2018 Ford Flex. It is the limited all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, navigation system, fog lights, heated seats, super nice, 27,000 miles, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Bumper looks pretty good. Your hood looks decent. It's got a couple of small little road chips, but that's just real typical. There's a little chip here in the fender. Front fender looks pretty good. Front driver's rim looks good. Does have a little curbing here, about 2 inches. Tire tread is over 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks nice. Here's our rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing, and your tire tread is over 8-30 seconds. Nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Does have memory seating right there. Power seats, and as you can see, no holes, no tears, no rips. The seats look good. And jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Boom. And just boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on, any issues, and your mileage of 27,398. All right, got your heated seats right there. Your navigation is obviously. There's your backup camera. Wow. Your navigation system, I've seen it work. Oh, there it is. Boom, working. All right. Looks good. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Turn on the lights. I didn't do it. And the fog lights. All right. Oh, got a power lift gate right there. Boom. I didn't notice that. That bad boy is working. Of course, you got your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Let's have it armrested cup holders. And then, of course, you got rear AC controls and rear AC vents on the top. This is what your rear third row seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. Coming around, got backup sensors. This is what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. For some reason, this headrest here does not stay up. I don't know what's up with it. This must be a locking mechanism inside, not working, functioning properly. All right, but the seats do fold down. Check out pictures for more details. You do have a spare tire here with some tools and such. A little button here closes the lift gate. We do have a dent with paint of 10, 3, 6, 10 or more inches. Goes from here to over here past the pretty distant, good distance. All right. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. I'm sorry, rear passenger rim. I don't see any curbing on that. Tire tread is over 7-30 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third, bro. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one as well. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. And your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Very minimum curbing, about 2 inches there as well. Tire tread is at 10-30 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour. Car is on. Fog lights are working. Vehicle looks great, folks. Beautiful 2018 Ford Flex limited all-wheel drive model with 27,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.